Hi, this is your Vikram back again on my channel. So this is our speed cube for beginners. I suggest this for only beginners who are learning the cube. This is from QY Toys. It's more than a professional speed cube. It's a stickerless cube, and he's the 3x3x3 world cube record holder. And I got this cube for 400, about 400. The MRP is 800. In Amazon I have ordered it. The cube is very smooth. Yellow opposite white, orange opposite red, green opposite blue. So this is called as right hand algorithm. In this cube, it's corner twisting also is present. So after removing this center, we have a screw present on it. See that? Every side we can remove the center. This is left hand algorithm, and that is right hand algorithm. It's very smooth actually. I suggest this for beginners because it's lower cost and it's very smooth to handle it. And if we don't know some algorithms, if we forgot, you can do the corner twisting, and you can, like that we can do corner twisting. It's very smooth actually. I used this cube for 2 to 3 weeks. After that only I am giving you the review of this cube. So this is the product I have brought from Amazon. Cubellelo QE Warrior W 3x3 stickerless magic speed cube. And this is an Amazon choice. I have brought it for 400 rupees. About 400 rupees, but it's now 215 plus delivery charges. You can see the pictures in this and a video present on it. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel Art and Tech with Vikram.